window that ran by, so.
Wait, so there's a bang now or no?
Huh?
I bet you I could.
I bet you can.
Alright, start running. Wait, is bang or no? There is, but like if somebody's running by the window and you go bang.
Hey, CJ. Do you want to do semi?
Whenever they're running down.
Semi or fully, doesn't matter.
Whatever you want to use.
Alright.
Oh my god, thank god at least we got one AR.
No, we got two.
We got
three.
Thank god.
We got three.
Three? Oh, we're
Little
gonna
man.
Start running by. I'll shoot you.
Little man. Don't be scared to run and shoot people like you do out there in the field, alright? I'm just saying. Thank you, I'll take that.
remember Dirty Harry, I count 6 shots.
Hold this.
Get it.
Is it full?
Dirty Harry have you?
Is it full? I don't know.
Shoot.
Yes.
Hold this.
See what I did there? See what I did there?
I don't want to see what you did there.
No, you won't. I'll see. I'll look, boy.
You got a pretty mouth, boy.
We got 2 machine guns, 3.
Yeah.
3 and we got spring guns for the rest of it.
Oh my god. The way you did that with your tongue with the movement. Oh, stop it. Stop it.
I'm gonna be right here, guys.
Like right there.
I'm sit right behind Troy. Troy, stand right there. I'll be right behind you. Right shield.
Yes.
LeBron. Hey, Troy. I'll shoot you in the leg.
Guys, can I shoot you in the wiener?
No.
What wiener?
Haha.
What? Shoot through the pallet?
Can't shoot through the pallets, no.
No. I know Charlie.
Okay.
Shoot through all the pallets, okay.
Yeah.
Travis,
Aim
you
through
do
the
it.
pallet.
What?
I said you're gonna boo it.
Oh wait, did we start?
No.
Oh. Wait, if I aim up in the air and
Got one right.
Did you get him, Charles?
No. I'll hit. Right in the leg. I was doing semi. Screw semi. Screw semi. I'm doing full auto. Full back. That's full back. I was trying to be nice.
You hear that scream?
I just watching Jay. That's it.
There.
That's all of them.
That roof's really hurt. I'm happy with it.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, I know, but it hurts.
I got shot in the leg like 5 times by him. Is that game? Oh, that's not all of ours.
My hands hit and hunger for more.
Yeah, there's.
I just don't want to get shot in the face because it's all I'm wearing. I think that's game. I think so. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think that's game.
Yeah, we have front. Scott just walked down the stairs.
Yeah, Scott walked down. If he was able to walk down by himself.
I'm gonna get out with this thing.
I was trying to be nice with these things, but fuck that shit. I got shot up.
Oh,
hey,
got
guys.
here. Oh, shit. Looks like a bug bite on my skin.
Hey, Scott! Are these your glasses? I was making sure.
I thought that was a watch.
Starting to look like a bug bite, dude.
I do not want them to watch
feelings
us.
for poor people.
I shot, CJ shot me and it took like a second to get to him and killed him. Travis, come watch over here.
That
Come
worked
watch your
one
little
time.
brother with the
Did it
spring
for real?
pistol.
Yeah. We
Yo,
threw it
hey,
at
who's-
somebody in the
Who's
middle.
the kid that had the grenade?
My brother.
Oh, I like the grenade.
My friend told me, yeah, so this is a distraction on him.
I used to have grenades, but someone stole it at Combat City.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, what I hit was all fucking.
I thought that big grenade, I didn't want to use. I was like on the rabbit thing. It was his dad.
Just watch him. When he yells, start, just wailing on him.
Hey, you ready? You want to get some kids out? As soon as I call start, I'm going to throw this time sword over there and it's going to distract them and you're going to light them up, alright? Alright? Yeah. Go! That was the little kid. Travis, the blonde one.
Are you hit, CJ?
Yeah, he got out.
Ah, hit, good shot. That man walking. I'm gonna walk around and record. Is that yours? Where'd you get it from?
This gun?
Yeah.
You like?
Nice. How much?
35 bucks.
Cameraman. Camera. Yeah. Cameraman. That's what I'm doing. Cameraman. Yeah. It's over. Make sure there ain't no one down here.
Everybody likes this side more.
What? Oh, did you guys pick this side again? Why'd you guys pick this side? Hey. Well, CJ always goes right here. Hey.
I'll be in that tree.
No, be careful of that crash. They're going to try to shoot you guys.
Who, me?
No, they're going to try to shoot you.
You gotta spread out, you guys can't just like stand up.
No. I'm going to go right here.
Alright, hey. Be careful. CJ goes there. Yeah, just run up there real fast. And just watch right there, okay?
I know that song. Everybody clap your hands.
Doop, 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 doop.
I'll shoot anyone that goes by me.
Yeah, man. Kill them right in their eyes. Travis, we need tunes.
Yeah.
Watch it, we can.
Yeah. Okay, see, it doesn't make me feel any better.
Keep it up or out.
Hit. Good shot.